Want to use Canva to make a video? Today you're going to learn how. I create this video that I use for my Fiverr gig with Canva, and today I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it.
Hi, my name is Julie, and I would love to help you on your journey to publish your first book. Whether you want to create something.
Hi, I'm Julie, and welcome to our channel, Fun Affiliate Family. I want to make sure you don't miss any videos in our new series. You did that in Canva, so I want to make sure you subscribe to our channel and be sure to stay to the end of this video, and I'm going to tell you how you can get Canva Pro for free. Let's go. Because I'm actually going to be showing you how to create a video, I'm probably going to have to use my phone some of the time. So on the Canva main page, you're going to click on video, and it will bring up the canvas, the blank canvas there for your video. And then you're going to click over here on the left on the uploads, and you're going to start by clicking on record yourself. Now what's going to happen is the videos are going to show up down here, and here you can edit them, make them shorter, if you need to cut off the beginning or the end right here. But to start with, it's just going to start there, and you're going to click on record yourself. And then when this pops up, you can see I am in there, but over here on the side, you can click on the screen and it will let you pick which one you want to share. You have to just look around until you find the one you want to share. So I'm gonna click over there, and then I'm going to click on, because I want to share myself making the video, I'm going to click on that and see what happens. And see, that's how it looks. So I can't really record like this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna record it with my phone, me making our first video. So if you're actually going to be recording yourself, you can click this and do what I just kind of showed you before. You're gonna pick the screen over here, and then it will automatically turn this part off if you don't wanna see yourself. And then it'll go from there. But I'm going to also show you how you can upload your own media. So I'm going to go to upload media, and I'm going to find the file that I want to upload. So let me go and do that. So I went ahead and labeled mine because it's just so much easier to do one at a time, because sometimes it takes a little while for it to upload. So you can see, you can watch the progress over here in this little bar. And once it's uploaded, you will click this video and it will put it here. So you're gonna put your marker like that wherever you want it. If you were doing a second, another page over here, you can do that. But for now, you're just going to wait until this completely uploads. Okay, so mine is fully uploaded, so I'm gonna click on it. I've already got my little bar right here. And then I'm going to click, and it's gonna bring it over.
Hi, my name is Julie, and I would love to help you on your journey to publish your first book.
All right, and what I'm gonna do is size it. I'm gonna put up here in the corner and gonna make it the same size. I'm just gonna spread it out over. All right, now remember, I'm recording with one hand and doing this with the other, so I'm gonna take me just a few seconds to get it sized up right, okay? All right, now I want to edit, because the beginning obviously is me turning on the computer or turning on the phone and things like that. So what you do is go down here, you can click play.
Hi, my name is Julie, and I would love to help you on your journey to publish your first book.
And you kind of get an idea of where it ended or whatever. So you're gonna click and drag and edit the parts, leave whatever you want, take away whatever you don't want. Let's see how this looks. And then usually I have to click and play it a lot to get it right.
Help you on your journey to publish your first book.
So see that I almost cut off the last little bit of my word. So I'm gonna open it up a little bit more. All right, then I also wanna mess with the beginning. I wanna edit it a little bit.
Hi, my name is Julie, and I would
Not
love
so
to
bad,
help
but
you
maybe like a second or two, let's see.
Hi, my name is Julie, and I would love to help you on your journey to publish your first book.
Okay, not bad. Now I'm gonna go back over and upload my second video. So I'm going back, pick the video I want, click on open, and I'm gonna wait for that to upload. And then I'm gonna click over here, and when this one is ready, I'm going to click on it, and it's going to appear right here. Now while we're waiting on that, I wanna show you just a little bit about, you can actually add audio to your, if you're gonna have like an introduction page, you can actually inside of Canva create a little page that's animated that you could use as your intro, kind of like I do on this video. and all of that. And then you can also add sound. So to do that, you can click on audio. Now this is a sound I had added in the past. I think it was a royalty free as long as I credited them. I don't use that one, but if you want to, you can upload. If you have particular sounds you want to use, you would just do that, upload, and it would appear here. But there are sounds that come with Canva. So to find that, you scroll down on the left and you'll see it says audio, and you can see all these additional songs. I'm gonna see if I can do this real quick right now while we're waiting for that to upload. But if I click on, let's just click on one. It's gonna put it down here for you. And then you have to edit. You see how that's gonna be how long it is. So let's just say we play. Same with your picture, you can make it longer by pulling on it, or get it to the right spot that you want it to be. All right, now another thing you can do is up here, audio effects. And this is, I like to do the fade in and out because that just sounds better than abruptly stopping. You can do that as well. And then let's see. All right, so put it in there. I think you can drag it to make it go further, but I guess it's not doing it because there's not a video over here at the moment. So we're gonna have to get back to that. I just wanted to show you audio real quick. All right, now let's go back to my images, and it's ready. So I'm gonna go back over here, and I'm gonna click where I want it to be, right there. And I'm gonna click on my image, my video, and it's gonna put it in just
Whether
like
you
that.
want to create something simple like a line journal to sell on Amazon.
And then you can edit it, and you're just gonna do that over and over again. I also want to show you transitions right here. If you decide you want to add a page, you can click here and add a page by clicking the plus or this transition right here. And it will bring up the different transitions. I like the match and move because it kind of gives a nice little transition. I'm gonna play it for you.
Hi, my name is Julie, and I would love to help you on your journey to publish your first book. Whether you want to create something simple like a line journal to sell on Amazon, Kindle Direct Publishing.
Okay, you saw that. You can do dissolve, slide, line white, whatever. And you can even change how long, like that duration of the transition lasts. So you can do that as well. All right, so the video I'm making is actually for a Fiverr gig because they recommend you have videos at the beginning or as an option for your gig. So what I did was I took the actual gig, I guess thumbnail, and I put it right here at the very beginning for only about almost 2 seconds. And let's play it and see what it looks like. I added a few more frames, so let's see what you think.
Hi, my name is Julie, and I would love to help you on your journey to publish your first book. Whether you want to create something simple like a line journal to sell on Amazon, Kindle Direct Publishing, or you want to publish your own children's book, I can help you. I myself have published 2 children's books, and they're available on Amazon. I can help you take your book from the design stages to your very own self-published book. So let me know if you have any questions, and let's get started.
All right, that's it. It's not that hard. If you want, like I did, add a page, all you do is you click here where that transition was, you click on add a page, and there it is. If you want to move it, like that other one I moved like a front page to the very beginning, you can click on it and just kind of move it over. Or you can also down here, there's the little grid view, you can click on that and see them all together, and that makes it easy also to kind of see what is where. And that's all. So now I'm going to show you how to save it. Go back to the regular view. And up here, you'll go to share. And then you're going to scroll down to download. And it will be saved as an MP4 video. And you just download. There you go. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new. And if you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Now, if there's something else you'd like to learn about with Canva's features, be sure to leave me a comment and I'll make a video about it. Now, you want to get Canva Pro for free for 30 days, right? All you have to do is click the link in this video description and you will have access to Canva Pro for free for 30 days. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.